Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you one of my best kept secrets, how to make the most perfectly wonderful chocolate chip cookie. Here is a list of ingredients you will need to make the most perfectly wonderful chocolate chip cookies. 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks or 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cups of packed brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of regular white sugar, 1 large egg plus 1 large egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips or chunks. First, whisk together all the dry ingredients together in a medium-sized bowl. Then, after having melted the butter in either a saucepan over medium heat or in the microwave, place it in a bowl, let cool for a few minutes, and then beat the butter together along with both white and brown sugars until thoroughly blended, about 2 minutes. Then add in the egg, yolk, and vanilla until combined. At this point, you can slowly begin to add in the dry ingredients, and if you're using an electric mixer, you can beat on low speed or simply mix together with a whisk. And at this point, you can add in the chocolate chips. Keep mixing until you see the consistency about what you see in this photo. At this point, chill your dough for 1 hour in the refrigerator. This step is crucial for making the best tasting chocolate chip cookies. After having chilled your dough for about an hour in the refrigerator, use an ice cream scooper to scoop the dough into perfectly round little 1 to 2 inch balls onto your baking sheet. At this point, you can place your baking sheet in the oven at 350 degrees, anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. Upon removing your baking sheets with your cookies from the oven, you want them to look slightly underbaked in the center, but lightly browned around the outside. Remember, they still cook even after you take them out of the oven. So I know what you're thinking when you look at this picture, you're thinking they're not done. If you were to touch them at this point, they would be totally mushy. This is because the cookies are still baking after you take them out of the oven. So it is so important to not let them over-bake. Remember when you go to those potlucks and you grab a cookie and it's just hard as a rock? That's because those cookies were left for too long in the oven. So trust me, when you take them out, you're gonna say, these cookies are not done. Oh, but they are, because they're still baking after you take them out of the oven. After giving the cookies about 1 to 3 minutes to slightly cool on the oven sheet itself, carefully use a spatula and quickly place the spatula under each cookie one at a time. Be careful because at this point the cookies should still be a little mushy. And then transfer them to a drying rack. As you can see, I place mine over my sink so that way any crumbs that fall directly into the sink. Leave them here for 10 to 15 minutes and then you get to enjoy the most perfectly wonderful chocolate chip